How much should you actually spend on running boards for your Chevy Silverado? It's tricky because some people swear by the budget options, while others rave about the pricier ones. But in reality, it's not always about the price, so let's uncover what really makes a good pair of running boards. Product number 1, COMNOVA 6 inches running boards. Let's kick things off with the COMNOVA 6 inches running boards. Priced at $169.99, this pair caught my eye with its rugged design and solid reviews, 7 stars from over 4,500 buyers. If you're looking for a dependable step that makes getting in and out of your truck safer, this is worth a serious look. These running boards are specifically designed for the 2019-2026 Chevy Silverado and GMC Sierra Crew cabs, which means you get a perfect fit without any hassle. What really stands out is the heavy-duty carbon steel construction paired with anti-slip plastic steps. This ensures durability and safety, especially during rainy days. The 6-inch wide step provides a solid footing, making it easier for everyone in the family to hop in and out of the truck. With a maximum load capacity of 500 pounds, it's built to handle whatever you throw at it. Now, some people have mentioned that the installation can be a bit tricky for first-timers, particularly with alignment. Here's the thing though, if you take your time and maybe watch a couple of DIY videos, it's not a deal breaker. Plus, once it's in, the peace of mind is totally worth it. This is perfect for you if you prioritize safety and durability in a running board. Skip this one if you're looking for something ultra-lightweight or if you don't like a bit of hands-on work during installation. For the value, you're definitely getting your money's worth. Now, if the installation concerns bothered you, the next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, AUTOSAVR running boards. Next up, we have the AUTOSAVR 88 running boards. Coming in slightly cheaper at $149.99, these side steps are designed for the same Chevy models as the previous product. They boast a solid 4.5-star rating from over 549 reviews, which is pretty impressive. The 6-inch non-slip step pad is easy to use, offering safety for everyone from kids to elderly family members. Plus, they can support up to 450 pounds, which is great for heavier loads. One downside is that some users have noted that the installation instructions could be clearer. But honestly, once you get the hang of it, it's pretty straightforward and can be done in under an hour. The ease of installation and the affordability make it a solid choice. This is perfect for you if you want a budget-friendly option that doesn't skimp on quality. Skip this one if you prefer something that looks a bit more rugged or if you're not comfortable with DIY projects. Overall, for the cost, it's a fantastic deal. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want a more premium look. Product number 3, Tiger Auto 3.5 Rider Running Boards. Now let's talk about the Tiger Auto 3.5 Rider Running Boards priced at $179. What really caught my attention is the 4.8-star rating from over 2,100 reviews. If you're aiming for a blend of style and functionality, this could be it. These running boards are tailored for the same Chevy models but feature a distinctive oval tube design. This wider step pad offers better stability, which is crucial if you're in a hurry or if the ground is a bit uneven. The seamless construction keeps dirt and water away, enhancing longevity and reducing rust, which is something all truck owners can appreciate. Plus, they can handle up to 500 pounds. One issue some users have faced is that they found the installation process slightly complicated due to the precise alignment needed. But I'll be real with you, it's manageable with a friend's help or a DIY video. The end result, you're left with a polished look that holds up over time. This is perfect for you if you want something that looks as good as it performs. Skip this one if you're not up for a little extra installation effort or if you prefer a simpler step design. For the quality, the price is just right. If you're looking for a more rugged option, the next product might just fit your needs perfectly. Product number 4, 6.5 OTHOWE running boards. Next, we've got the 6.5 OTHOWE running boards priced at $199.99. This one's really interesting, especially since it boasts a 4.6-star rating from 1,200 reviews. If you're after something that offers a little more step space, this could be your go-to. This makes entry and exit safer, especially for kids and older folks. Plus, they're made of high-polished stainless steel that not only looks premium but also resists rust beautifully. However, a few users have reported that the sliders don't always hold their position perfectly, which is something to consider. But honestly, once installed properly, they do their job and provide a secure step without any major issues. This is perfect for you if you want extra width for safety and style. Skip this one if you prefer a compact step or if you're not keen on slight adjustments during installation. Overall, with the quality and design, it's worth the investment. Now, if you've been curious about a budget-friendly option that still performs well, our final choice is a smart pick. Product number 5, Tiger Auto 3.5 Rider Running Boards Older Models. Finally, we have the Tiger Auto 3.5 Rider Running Boards tailored for older models, priced similarly at $179. These are perfect if you own a 2007-2018 Chevy Silverado. With a solid 4.6-star rating from 1,300 reviews, they've proven themselves over the years. The seamless construction means you won't have to worry about rust getting in the way. They can also support up to 500 pounds, which is pretty standard but reassuring for heavy users. Some users have complained about the installation taking longer than expected, especially if you're new to this. But I'll be honest, with some patience, it's quite doable and gives you a satisfying sense of accomplishment when you see the finished product. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a reliable running board for an older Silverado model. Skip this one if you need something for the 2019 Plus versions or if you're not ready to tackle a DIY project. For the price, it's a solid investment in safety and functionality. So there you have it. We've looked at the COMNOVA 6 inches AUTOSAVR 88, Tiger Auto 3.5, OTHOWE, and Tiger Auto for older models. Each offers its unique benefits, whether you want something budget-friendly, stylish, or just plain functional. No matter what you choose, just make sure it fits your style and needs. Happy truck stepping!